Happy Monday, everybody. We're here at my solar installation in San Bernardino, getting the panels up, ready, set, go. We got a little bit of rain today, but it's not stopping us. Everyone's working. Team is here. We got over 6 installers ready, set, go today. Racking is up. Panels will be going up shortly. Monday morning here with my brother DeAndre.
How you doing?
Look at, man, the whole team is here. Installing solar here in San Bernardino. Make sure you reach out, zero down solar sooner than later. Start adding that value to your house.
Yeah, come on, done, man.
Let's go.
There you go.
Guys are going to work today. Make sure you hit me up. Find out how much you can start saving with solar.